One who knows good English can work anywhere in the world because it is the language of the science and technology.
You must welcome in Global Spoken English.
Good morning, everyone. First of all, I would like to thank my respected teachers who gave me a golden chance to speak here. And my name is Sakir, and I'm learning from Global Spoken English Center. I'm going to tell about importance of English. English is very important language because in most of the countries in the world it's spoken and understood. One who knows good English can work anywhere in the world because it is the language of the science and technology. Those who don't know English cannot use internet, which is the powerful tool of modern period. Let me tell you how to improve English speaking. Try to speak English with your friends, family, etc. And also try to speak English in front of the mirror. This will build up your confidence. Watch English news channels, serials, movies, etc. And also try to understand them and see their speaking way, that how do they pronounce the words, and also try to speaking the same way. On a regular basis, the word you find tough, underline that and then find its meaning in the dictionary. This will lead you to how to make your vocabulary strong. Participate in group discussion. This will make you confident. And write a daily routine diaries of yours in English. First of all, think in English and write in English. Never hesitate. Nobody is perfect in the world. Everyone is a born fighter, so you must fight with your drawbacks and be a better one. Now I am going to finish my topic.